With a new armor charge system, we no longer need super energy to use finisher mods, and this opened up some great potentials. To keep this short and simple, you can loop finisher mods indefinitely with only 2 mods, those being Empowered Finish and Stacks on Stacks. Put on 2 Empowered Finish, 1 Stacks on Stacks, and the finisher mod of your choice, like Special Finisher for example. Now when you finish an enemy with 0 stacks of armor charge, you instantly gain 3 stacks from Empowered Finish and Stacks on Stacks. And with the 3 stacks of armor charge, you can start finishing more enemies. It will drop a special ammo brick and give you 3 more stacks of armor charge for another finisher. This can be infinitely looped until you have no more enemies to finish. For mods that grant ability energies, you get around 80% energy per finisher.